Hello everyone and welcome to Everest Ice and Water. Today we're talking about the benefits of having a machine that is made in the US from top to bottom. Now before we begin, consider subscribing to the channel to keep up to date with everything that Everest is doing, and don't forget to like that video. It really helps. We are proud to source everything for our machines right here in the US, and we strive to build our machines to the highest standard. Our manufacturing facility is in Orlando, Florida, and we have an incredible team that works day in and day out to provide you with top-tier service. The main component of our VX series machine is the Scotsman Ice Maker, which is made right here in the US. The USA Technologies credit card equipment is made right here in the US. Even the frames are made of American steel. Unquestionably, we are very proud to buy and sell American, and you should be too. No corners are cut, and no compromises are made. We are constantly innovating, and we never sell a machine with outdated technology. We also don't sell machines that aren't NAMA certified. The National Automatic Machine Association, or NAMA, represents the U.S. convenience services industry and provides certification to vending machine manufacturers. They certify manufacturers whose machines meet the public health requirements set by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Machines are evaluated to the applicable design and construction specifications to the latest edition of the U.S. Public Health Service Model Food Code. In addition to this, they also have to meet the requirements of the NAMA standard for the sanitary design and construction of food and beverage vending machines. All evaluations are conducted by NAMA through consultants who specialize in public health and environmental issues. When a machine meets the requirements of these two specifications, a letter of compliance is issued by the public health consultant, identifying the machine by manufacturer, model, and the date the certification was first issued. Following the issuance of the compliance letter, the manufacturer is then authorized to display its NAMA-listed mark on its machines. Once certified, machines are re-evaluated yearly to ensure ongoing compliance to NAMA certification standards. At Everest, we are constantly striving to provide the best machine for you and your future customers. Sourcing all of our components from American companies and building our machines to meet and exceed the standards set forth by NAMA are just a few of the ways we are setting ourselves apart in the industry. Do you think the ice vending industry is right for you? Send an email to sales@everesticeandwater.com to speak with an equipment specialist today. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.